The first experiment is study of a typical angiospermic plant. When we start the botany practical, we have to read about the plants. So that's why we have to take a first experiment study of an angiospermic plant. So typical angiospermic plant, particularly angiospermic plant has two systems, root system and shoot system. Supposing this is a typical angiospermic plant that is given in the practicals. It is written in the practical books also that this is a typical angiospermic plant. This is croton. It has a root system. This is root system and this is shoot system. The plant, angiospermic plant has two systems, root system and shoot system. Root system is terminated by a root cap, but we can't show it because this is a mesophytic plant, deep-seated, so root cap is very soft and thin, so it is broken. But you can show these are the secondary tertiary root, branch roots, so root system, and there are root hairs also, you can show it like this. So this is root system. The upper part, what is a root? Root is a descending organ which develops from the radicle, grows away from the sunlight. You see, this is growing away from the sunlight. It was underneath the surface of the earth, and we have just drawn it out. So this is the root system. Shoot system has different parts. Shoot system comprises of stems, leaves, fruits, flowers, so many things. So that a candidate, a student, beginner in the practical, he should learn what are these. Shoot system is the ascending organ. It is growing towards the sunlight. Root system grows away from the sunlight, it grows towards the sunlight. And shoot system has stems. So this is the stem. This is a somewhat understocked, a small bushy plant, and these are the branches. So very good branches are there. 2-3 branches are coming up, and the branches, wherever the branches or leaves come out, we call it the nodes. Space between two nodes is called as the internodes. So like this, nodes where leaves or branches come out, that is known as the nodes, and space between two nodes are called as the internodes, and branches are terminated. There are, you can find, there are leaves, so many leaves are there. Leaves are, these are simple leaves. This is the case where you will find a compound leaf. This is compound leaf. In this case, this is a tomato plant, Solanum, and this has compound leaves, but here you will find simple leaves, and there are flowers. You can see the flowers here over here. These are the flowers, very small flowers, very typical, belongs to Euphorbiaceae. You should not have to tell the students that this is Euphorbiaceae, but these are the flowers. These are the flowers. The branches are terminated by the inflorescence. This is the inflorescence. Flowering axis is known as the inflorescence. This is inflorescence. This is inflorescence. This is inflorescence. So on the inflorescence there are flowers, and at the base, when flowers mature, the fruits, you see small fruits are there. So small fruits are seen at the bases of the branches. You see here there are no flowers, but there are fruits. Fruits are there. This is a typical type of unisexual flower. So you will find there are fruits, flowers like this. This is the main stem ascending organ, and this bears the leaves, nodes, internodes, flowers, fruits. The flowering axis is known as the inflorescence. So all these things you have to show the student, and he has to draw a diagram of this thing, this croton plant and label all these parts properly. So this is flower, leaf, you can see the midrib, and there are small veins are there. Small veins are there in this case. This is the midrib. This is the midrib because it is a compound leaf. This is midrib, and from the midrib, leaflets have come out. The compound leaves, this entire thing is a leaf, and these are the leaves. Those which appear as the leaves are known as the leaflets. Leaflets, and there are leaflets, and there are various types of that is the leaves pinnately compound, palmately compound. This is a pinnately compound leaf, and this is the peripinnate. The peripinnate you see everywhere. The leaf is terminated by a leaflet, and there is leaves have incission. So the students have to study what is the morphology of it, structure of it. Here you can find, if you press it, milky latex will come out, but in that case it may not come out. Milky latex will come out. So this is a typical angiospermic plant. It is seen everywhere, and it is given in the practical. So the students have to describe a plant. They have to see a plant, a descending organ, root, ascending organ, stem, terminated by root cup, then the secondary roots, tertiary roots, and the root hairs. Root hairs come out in the upper part, from the upper region of the root, and there are no nodes and internodes in the root. You can say this is a differentiate between the shoot system and root system. Root system has no nodes and internodes, but this shoot system has nodes and internodes. Wherever you will find leaves or branches come out, that is the node portion, and from the node, you see this is a place node. This is a node. The space between two nodes is known as the internodes. So students have to label like this. They have to study, understand the morphology, the structure of a external structure of an angiospermic plant. This is a typical angiosperm. This is given in practical. It is seen everywhere, and always it is growing in the wild state. Another plant that is given in the practicals, that is written also in the practical books, that is cassia. Cassia and this croton are given in the practicals. The cassia flowers are somewhat bigger. These are small, but in the case of croton, the flowers are smaller. Inflorescence axis is very prominent. So this is here in this picture. We have given a picture, but this is a typical mustard plant. This is a typical mustard plant. Because this is a seasonal plant. Seasonal plant, you can find it during this time, but the close to first year practical classes start in the late rainy season or early rainy season, August, September. So mostly this plant and cassia plants are given, but in the winter time, if it is winter time, it is good to give this mustard plant. That is, you see the main root like this. This is the main root. This is the main root, and the lateral roots are there. Secondary, tertiary, you can say that shortly it has been written lateral roots, and there are. This is the internode. This is node. Yes, leaves have the stalk of the leaf. Stalk of the leaf is known as the petiole. Stalk of the leaf is known as the petiole. Stalk of the flower is known as the pedicel. If there is no petiole, no pedicel, if the leaf has no petiole, it is not stalk, directly attached. Directly attached, then you have to write that is sessile. Likewise, stalk of the flower is known as the pedicel. If there is no pedicel, it is a sessile flower. Sessile flower. This is a sessile. Yes, This is a sessile directly attached. These are the sessile flowers directly attached, but in this case, this is pedicellin, shortly pedicellin. Short pedicels are there. This belongs to Solanaceae family. This family is not in the syllabus. So the petiole is the stalk of the leaf is known as the petiole, and there is midrib. Yes, these are known as the beside two sides of the midrib are known as the leaf lamina. This is leaf lamina, leaf blade. Two sides. Students have to mark how the margin is. There are different types of description about margins. So if margins are very prominent, they have to, in this case, you see margins are very prominent. Serrate, dentate, so many types of descriptions are there. So one should not confuse the students from the beginning that so many types are there. But this is the midrib. These are the lateral veins and leaf blade. Midrib is shown. So this is like this. These are known as this is the leaf structure. Flower, what is bud? Bud is a undeveloped shoot. Bud is a undeveloped shoot. So here is a bud coming out from the base of the leaf. Here you can see here is a bud coming out. But you can show that buds. You can show from the bases of the leaves, from the bases of the from the nodal region, buds come up. So there are buds. Here undeveloped shoot is bud. Maybe a fruit, maybe a flower, maybe a leaf. So that is undeveloped. Maybe a stem. So these are the fruits and these are the flowers. Flowers. This is a typical cruciferous family, Brassica plant. Typical cruciferous family, and you can see seedling is not necessary. This is a plant, and so root system, shoot system, fruits, flowers, everything you can sow. And if a flower is to be dissected, then flowers of different parts. Now, like the portion from which what is flower? Flower is a modified stem of limited growth, and it has a definite function of reproduction. Reproduction in pairs, male and female reproductive units, and that is meant for producing seeds and fruits. So these are the flowers, and flowers are being dissected. Flowers are the base of the flower, the platform, the portion from which different holes of flower come out. The solen portion of the flowering axis is known as the receptacle. You can say that is thalamus, and on the thalamus there are sepals, petals, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, and individual members of calyx are known as the sepals, individual members of the corolla are known as the petals, individual members of the androecium are known as the stamens, individual members of gynoecium are known as the carpels. So like this description is there. So this is I will show in the description of the different families. So how to dissect out, how to find out different parts of the flower. So the sepals, petals have been shown here. Sepal, petal, then this is a stamen. Stamen has two parts, filament and anther. Anther is the reproductive portion that bears the pollens. The carpels have three parts, like ovary, style, stigma. This is ovary. This stalk portion is known as style, and the apical portion which receives pollens are known as the stigma. So ovary, style, stigma, three parts. Stamens have two parts. and those are one of the essential roles of the flower. And the flowers when mature ovary is a fruit, mature ovule is a seed. So there is seed and the mustard seeds and mustard fruit is like this. It has a typical, placentation mode of attachment of the ovules to the wall of the ovary. So typical parietal placentation, periphery it is attached, parietal placentation. So there is there takes place development of a false septum called septum. So these seeds and fruits are produced. So this is as a whole. This is a typical mustard plant, seasonal plant, and if you are doing practical this season, you can easily get it from the fields, mustard plants, and you can show to the students. And this is all round the year. These plant and cassia plants are available, particularly heavily you can find very heavy growth of these plants in the fields, barren lands, and you can collect it and show. And this is the first experiment, typical angiospermic plant. Description of a typical angiospermic plant. Students have to label all these plants and they have to describe what is the function of different parts. What is root, what is root system, root, secondary root, tertiary root, and stem, shoot system, branches, leaves, fruits, flowers, nodes, internodes, pedicels, petioles. There is no stipule here. In some cases, there are stipules are also there. So they have to describe, and this is the description of a typical angiospermic plant. And since this is the first experiment that is followed in the practical in the class 11 practicals, you have to make the students understand that these are the parts, they know this plant, they have seen this plant. So once they have accustomed to this plant, easily you can describe different parts, and they have to draw diagrams. Diagrams should not be that very diagrammatic. It should be, you should show like, it should appear like a plant. And this is the first experiment. Second experiment, we have to proceed with families. Okay.